Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my video today. I'm going to do a pour on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I just wanted to do a little intro. I'm doing just like my base color and then 3 other colors. Maybe a little smearing. I'm not really sure. See what happens when we get to painting. And I do want to thank everybody for watching, and yeah, and hopefully you will enjoy the video and you will like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I would appreciate it. Help build my channel up and share. That would be absolutely amazing. I would appreciate that. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring you on down. We're gonna get to painting and being creative, so let's do it. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today. I probably already said that in my intro that I'm trying to be more brave and show my face out there more. So I probably already said hey, but you know, that's okay. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I have it already flooded with Outersloft's Acrylic Flow White, Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and then Floetrol and a little bit of water, just a very little bit. So that's my base. I'm using some fun colors today that I haven't used yet. Well, one of them, of course, I've used the Decoart Metallic 24 Karat Gold. Obviously, I use that a lot. I'm using Soho's Prussian Blue. And then it was broke when I got it, so I have to have it upside down, but it's Soho's Red Mater. Red Mater. But I just thought those were some really pretty colors, and I thought it'd be fun to do. I'm going to do, I'm just going to maybe do like a puddle pours, and then just kind of maybe do some swiping. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. But I'm obsessed with this blue. It is so pretty. Just a deep, vibrant, rich blue. I love it. So I'm pretty excited about this one. So I'm just gonna kind of go here and then try that. And then of course the 24 karat gold. Oops. See, I swept it right there. And then the Rose Mater. It's a very pretty color. I'm really excited about that. So let's just do some tilting and see what happens here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. Look at those cells. So cool. So cool. All right, I'm gonna bring it down for a closer look. Cut my lights off here. All right, sorry about that. I just want to make sure I got my lights off, but look at that. Look at that shimmer. Oh, so pretty. Got some really pretty cells out of that blue there. So I'm trying to put my finger in there, but I'm just making it worse. The color is so pretty. See, it's not too terribly bad. So I like it. I'm gonna leave it there. Look at that. That little bit of gold right there. So pretty. That's pretty. Got little cells coming through this little, sorry, moving too fast. Those are so pretty. And that gold is so shimmery. But you'll have to tell me what you think. Please comment below and let me know. What do you think? And the colors are really pretty. I really like it like this. Like, I think if I hang it, I would hang it this way. It could also be hung this way, but I really like it better from the side. I like it like that. I like how these two are coming out like that. It's really pretty. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you will like and subscribe. Look at those. Those are going to be some pretty magnets. Lots of pretty gold over there. But yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. That one's really cool. But I do appreciate it. Hopefully you will like and subscribe. Hopefully I didn't say that already, but if I did, I'm sorry. And yeah, I hope everybody is being healthy and safe and enjoyed the video. But let me know what you think. I do appreciate you watching. So pretty. So shimmery. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.